Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely removing the screen without causing damage to the laptop's casing. Start by powering off your Asus UX530U and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, place the laptop on a soft, static-free surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure that there is no power running through the device while you work. This is a vital safety step. Next, you will need to remove the screen assembly. Start by unscrewing the hinges that secure the screen to the base of the laptop. There are usually 2 screws on each hinge. Once these are removed, carefully lift the screen away from the base. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now it's time to detach the screen from the display cable. Gently pull the cable connector away from the motherboard. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our team can assist you with this process. Once the old screen is removed, take a moment to clean the internal components of the laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating in the future. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Carefully connect the display cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely attached. Once connected, lower the screen into place and reattach the screws to the hinges. After securing the screen, reconnect the battery. Before replacing the back panel, it's a good idea to power on the laptop to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, power it off again and proceed to replace the back panel. Align the back panel with the base and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of traveling. We also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once all screws are in place, your Asus UX530U is ready to go. Power it on and enjoy your new screen. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.